making pies, really fun. Really fun to try it. Try it.
Hello and welcome back to Owen's Legit Food Review. I am your host, Owen Gutzmer. Today we're doing things a little bit different. Instead of reviewing the food, we are going to make it and then review it. I saw these four like hooligans do it, and I saw them cook, and I was like, well, I could do that, but I can do it better. So, what we're gonna do here is we are gonna make a pecan pie. It's one of the hardest pies to make, but we got this. I am a culinary expert. So let's just jump right into it. And for the recipe today, we are going to need some brown sugar, some Crisco, sugar, butter, some eggs, flour, salt, vanilla extract, pecans, vinegar, and corn syrup. Alright, so what you're going to start off with first is the dough. And the dough, you're going to put 3 cups of flour. You're going to mix that. Okay. Let's do this already. 1, 2, 3 cups of flour. You're going to mix that with 1 teaspoon of salt. Then we are going to whisk to combine. So mix all that salt and flour together. Next, we are going to add a 3/4 cup of vegetable shortening. And then we are going to add another 3/4 of butter. I'm definitely just cutting this on my counter. So what we're gonna do with this, we're just gonna mix it together, alright? Get our hands dirty. Get our hands a little bit dirty. Get it in there. Wear some gloves on. Cause I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just vibing. Add an egg. We're gonna whip it up real quick. Add an egg in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 tablespoons of cold water and white vinegar. So just add some of this. This stuff's good. Just take it. Now stir it until it's combined. Alright. That's a real hydrate dough. I'll put it here. Alright, you're gonna take some cling wrap, right? Get 2 good pieces, because we're gonna divide this dough in half. Now we're gonna chill these. Now next is the pie filling. So we are going to add 1 cup of sugar, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, a cup of corn syrup, teaspoon of vanilla, 3 whole eggs, then a third of a cup of butter melted. Alright, that looks rolled out enough. Perfecto. So you're gonna put your pecans bottom of your pie crust. Let's pour the syrup mixture on top, the stuff we just mixed together. Bam! Yummy. Put a couple more pecans on there. We're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes. Hello, it's me, back again. This is our pie. It's already half eaten. I may have filmed the last part of this video a whole week ago, so this pie's a week old. Let's just dive right into it. I'm gonna cut myself a piece here. I got this really freaking big knife. That looks good enough. Yeah. Oh, I just mutilated it. Bam. Some pie. Good. Look good. Yeah. Let's try it. All right. So, I left it. I think I left the top in there a bit, or I left it in there a little bit long, but not long enough. Because I did not cover the top with foil, and you were definitely supposed to do that. So the top's a bit cooked, but it's very gooey, as you can see. But let's just give it a little taste test. A little taste test. Cheers. No. For being over a week old, not bad. Yummy. Mmm.